East Wayne with Chris rapping at you. It's time for some Rick Ups. Hang on. I have a special guest. Wants to watch me unbox. Say hello. This is Pumpkin. Meow meow, hello meow. Meow meow, Rick Owens meow. She says hello and she says it's time to unbox some Rick Owens. So might want to reposition the camera a little bit. Yeah, too late. So first things first, I went and got me some Rick from the Rick Owens online store. Oh, and obviously, hi to all my YouTube people, hi to all my my Discord people. And copped them. When they went to a 50 cent, and I was like, hey, I'm a cop. Now there's two things in here. One of them I'm 100% certain is going to fit because it's just the dark dust gray version of the oversized T-shirt that I wear regularly. So I guess I'll start with that. And then the other thing is a pair of medium dark shadow stair pods, and I have no idea how that's going to fit. I wear the medium dark shadow sweatpants successfully, but then I have also tried on medium dark shadow in the store. There was a little constricting my gait. We have the Rick Owens envelope. We have Rick Owens paper. Let's just get right the hell down to it, though. We got one bag, and I think they're gonna put everything in one bag. That makes sense. I mean, all right. You know what? Let me put the shirt on first. This is unnecessary because, as I said, I know the shirt's gonna fit. Now watch as the shirt doesn't fit, and I can't return it. And as soon as Pumpkin sees Rick Owens, she's like, "Oh, I want to ruin it with my claws and my fur. Yes, I do." Hang on for a second, Pumpkin. I'm gonna put this on. Be right back. It's modesty. I do it out of frame. Doop-de-doo. Doop-de-doo. Oh, is it new Rick smell time? It's new Rick smell time. And, of course, this fits perfectly, as I knew it was going to fit, because as I said, it fits exactly the same as my black T-shirt. Next up. Oh, wait a minute. They did, in fact, give me 2 bags. Or did they? Oh, shit. Okay, wait a minute. These are the dark shadow pods. I can tell you right away that these are going to fit perfectly because these are huge. These are freaking huge. So you know what? I'm just going to go balls out here. And I'm going to pop this right off. And if I screwed this up, that's no big... Oh, this is very nice material. If I screwed this up, then that's good news for the Discord, so I'll just flip it. I'll flip it to y'all. Friend prices. So let me just pop these on. Now, I know that gray on gray is not quite right, but I don't give a fuck. And I needed a summer jam, you know what I'm saying? I needed more shorts, more variety of shirts, and yeah, oh, dude, okay. These are perfect. These are freaking perfect. Look at this. Whoomp. There it is. Yeah. Okay. But here's what I really have been looking forward to. Not that I haven't been looking forward to new Rick shorts or anything. These now, I'm worried that maybe Ukes gave me elephant boots or something, because this is freaking huge. But these are supposed to be Mainline Rams. Now, speaking of, I'm so far 2 for 3 for things fitting. I found out that I'm actually a 44 in Mainline Rick. And, ow, goddamn, oh, hi, Pumpkin. She says, "Oh boy, it's new Rick fabric. I haven't torn into it with my claws yet." And she's excited to do that. Hang on for a second. She wants to say hello. Meow meow, Rick Owens Discord now. Meow meow, Pumpkin now. She says, "Hello, Rick Owens Discord." She says, "My name is Pumpkin." All right, let's get this. Let's get her done. Okay. Now it's a normal box. Rick box. Oh, they're heavy. They're Mainline Ramones. They goddamn well better fit. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, dude. Oh, dude, yes. 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 I wonder what season these are. These are 17, W17. Don't matter because it's all the same. Does it have, which zipper does it have? Oh, it's got the modern zipper, which I'm fond of. All right, now I don't even know how I can fit these, so I might have fucked up completely. In which case, I'll just flip them. All right. First thing I'm gonna want to do is loosen these. Now, if these don't fit at all, I'm gonna fucking kill myself because I turned down a pair that was selling for $350. I might just have to pull wicked hard. Yeah. I think I have a safety pin going into my ass. I also think I'm screwed. Because I can't put these on my foot at all. Son of a bitch. I can put the left one. This is bullshit. Yep. Keep copping blind. Oh, wait. They actually come on. It's gonna wedge them in, I guess. The left one's on. Oh. Okay, no, I'm already wrecking my new shoes. They're not zipped all the way down. Is part of the reason that I was having trouble putting them on. Yes, okay, the other one came on too. All right. So this is a very much like the socks. I almost ruined them the first time that I put them on. And a little bit of a bitch to get it put on and take off. Once you get them on, look what we got. Oh, we got Rick shoes. We got motherfucking Rick shoes, motherfucker. Hell yes. Now I'm still sick, so that's pretty much it for my unboxing. More like fun boxing because it had a little bit of drama where it looks like this shit ain't gonna fit, and then boom, it fits. No, goodbye, no, Goth Ninja, no.